Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my official final last video of 2020. I am so excited that this year is coming to an end. It has been such a stressful year for everyone and I am so glad that this year is coming to an end. So in today's video I am going to show you guys how I flat iron and trim my sister's short relaxed hair. She recently joined the relaxed hair gang in August 2020 and this is the progress so far on her hair. Her hair is growing pretty well and I'm going to insert a picture of what her hair looked like in August 2020 and what it looks like right now. I have been giving her every single thing I'm using on my hair. She has been following everything I do on my hair and her hair is growing so well. So this is my sister's hair and as you can see, her hair is also not bone straight when relaxed. So this is how our hair looks, relaxed or not relaxed. This is how our hair looks. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video and don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share this video and also subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to keep quiet and allow you guys to watch me. This is a very detailed or a semi-detailed video, so I'm going to keep quiet and allow you guys to watch me blow dry her hair and flat iron it. So the heat setting I used to blow dry her hair was on medium setting. This was not the hottest setting I used. That's why you are seeing that I'm keeping the dryer close to her hair. This was on medium setting because I didn't want to burn her hair at all. Since we didn't use a heat protectant, I only applied her leave-in conditioner. I applied the Mega Great leave-in conditioner and sweet almond oil because I ran out of my heat protectant and I don't have anyone at hand. So that's what I used for this hair, in case you're wondering.
dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I tried to make her mine, but at the same time, I know love is hard to find. Lots and lots of time, but maybe it's fine that you are so hard to find.
So she needed a trim and I helped her trim the hair, and I thought I was filming when I was trimming her ends, but it turned out I was not filming at all. But you guys are going to see what the hair looked like after trimming. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Happy New Year in advance, and I'll see you guys in 2021.